In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Cork. If you've received a parking or traffic related fine and want to take care of it quickly, the online payment method is one of the easiest options. The process is straightforward yet, and as long as you have your ticket details ready, it should only take a few minutes to complete. To begin, go to the Cork County Council website. This is the official site where you can find the payment option for parking fines, so it's the best place to start if you want to make sure you're using the correct and secure service. Once you're on the Cork County Council website, look through the dashboard or menu and select the section called Ways to Pay Parking Fines. This page brings together the available payment methods and directs you to the online fine payment system. From there, click on the option labeled Online, Ticket Details. This will take you to the payment portal where you can search for your specific ticket. Make sure you're clicking the official online payment link so you can safely continue to the next step. When the search ticket details page opens, you'll be asked to enter the information exactly as it appears on your fine notice. Start by typing in your ticket number in the appropriate field. It's important to enter the number carefully to avoid any search errors. Next, add your vehicle registration number. Be sure to enter it without spaces, as the system may not recognize it if it's formatted incorrectly. This is a small detail, but it can make a big difference in helping the site find your ticket successfully. After entering both the ticket number and the registration number, click on Search. The website will then look up the fine associated with the information you provided. Once your ticket appears, take a moment to verify the details carefully. Check that the registration number, ticket information, and amount due all match your notice. Reviewing this step helps prevent paying the wrong fine or submitting incorrect information. If everything looks correct, you can proceed to pay securely using a credit card or debit card. The site accepts Visa and MasterCard, so have one of those ready before you begin the payment step. As a final tip, once the payment is completed, it's a good idea to save or screenshot your confirmation for your records. That way, you'll have proof of payment if you ever need it later. And that's how to pay a traffic ticket online in Cork.